Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on How Logical. In this video, I will show you how you can get logged into your Grammarly account. It's a really quick and easy video, so make sure to stick till the end. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's move on to the video. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser on a PC, or if you have downloaded the app, you can tap and open up the app. If not, you can search for grammarly.com and then you will be landed to its official homepage. Now, in order to get logged into your account, tap on login button at the top right of your screen, and once you tap on it, you will be directly taken to its login page. Now, if you don't have account yet, you can tap on I don't have an account and create your account for you. Now, if you already have an account, then you can type in the email address, or if you have signed up your Grammarly account using Google, Facebook or Apple, you can tap one of these options here and then get logged into your Grammarly account. Now, if in case you have created your account using your email address, then you have to type in your email address in this box and there tap on continue button. Once you tap on continue button, password field will be appear on your screen. Now you have to insert the password of your account. You can tap on this eye icon to reveal and confirm the password before moving on. Now tap on sign in button in order to get logged into your account. And once you tap on login button, you will get logged into your Grammarly account. Now that's how easily you can get logged into your Grammarly account. Now that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.